In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zotero files not syncing with web library. If your attachments or PDFs aren't appearing in your web library, it usually means the desktop app isn't signed in or connected to the right account. We'll walk through the exact place in Zotero where you link your desktop library to your online library so your notes, citations, and files move seamlessly between devices. First, open the Zotero desktop application on your computer. Give it a moment to load your local library. Make sure you're connected to the internet, since syncing requires an active connection. If you've had the app open for a long time, it can help to bring it to the foreground so it's ready for the next steps. Now, go to the top menu and choose Edit. From there, click on Settings. This opens the main panel where Zotero stores all of your preferences. If you're on a Mac, this section may be labeled Preferences and found under the application name in the top left menu bar, but it takes you to the same place. Inside the Settings window, select the Sync tab. This is the hub for everything related to your Zotero account connection and how your data and files are synchronized. You'll see fields for your account sign-in and options that control what gets synced and when. The most important part here is making sure your account is actually linked. In the Sync tab, type your Zotero username and password, then click Set up Syncing. Be sure you use the same account you used to access your web library, so both ends are talking to each other. After you confirm, Zotero will authenticate and begin syncing. You should notice activities soon after. Zotero will process your items, then your attachments. Large libraries or big PDFs may take longer, so let it run in the background. If syncing doesn't seem to start, double check that your credentials are correct and that you're online. Using the wrong account is a common cause of missing files in the web library, so matching the account is key. Also, keep in mind that file syncing depends on available storage. If your account is out of space, attachments may pause while your data still syncs. That's it. By opening Zotero, heading to Edit, selecting Settings, choosing the Sync tab, and signing in with your account, you reconnect the desktop app to your web library and get your files moving again. Let it finish and you should see your attachments appear where you expect them. Thanks for watching and happy researching.